Organizing your kitchen cabinets, a step-by-step guide. Assess your cabinets. Before you start organizing your kitchen cabinets, take stock of what you have. Remove everything from your cabinets and sort items into categories, such as baking supplies, cooking utensils, and dinnerware. This will give you a clear idea of what you need to organize and help you decide what to keep, donate, or discard. Purge and declutter. Get rid of any unnecessary or duplicate items that are taking up space in your cabinets. Be ruthless. If you haven't used it in the past year, it's probably safe to get rid of it. Consider donating gently used items or recycling packaging materials. Categorize and group. Once you've purged your cabinets, categorize and group similar items together. For example, you might have a baking supply cabinet, a cooking utensil drawer, and a dinnerware cabinet. Within each category, group items by type or function. Assign a home. Assign a home for each item in your cabinets. This means designating a specific shelf or drawer for each category of items. Make sure the items you use most frequently are easily accessible. Use storage containers. Use storage containers or bins to keep items organized and easy to find. Label each container so you can quickly identify what's inside. Consider using dividers or inserts to separate items within containers. Maximize vertical space. Make the most of your cabinet space by using stackable shelves or baskets. This will help you maximize vertical space and keep items off the floor. Label everything. Labeling your cabinets and storage containers will help you quickly find what you need and prevent clutter from building up in the future. Use a label maker or write labels by hand, whatever works best for you. Maintain your cabinets. To keep your cabinets organized, establish a routine of regular cleaning and maintenance. Set aside time each week to tidy up your cabinets and make sure everything is still in its assigned home. By following these steps, you can create a well-organized kitchen cabinet system that makes cooking and meal prep a breeze. Additional tips. Use adjustable shelves. Consider using adjustable shelves to accommodate items of different sizes. Utilize corner space. Use corner cabinets or carousel units to make the most of corner space. Keep frequently used items accessible. Store frequently used items in easy-to-reach locations. Store heavy items below waist level. Store heavy items, such as pots and pans, below waist level to prevent straining your back. By implementing these tips and strategies, you can create a kitchen cabinet system that is both functional and efficient. Dear friends, I hope you would have liked the video and subscribed the channel. Remember to share it with your family and friends.